Welcome to Large Education. In this video, we are going to see something about the perspective carries in physics. Before proceeding with the carries in physics, the first question that comes into our mind is, what are the carries taken by some prominent persons after studying physics? Let us see few popular people who have studied physics and who are successful in their career. Let us see something about Nobel Prize. Alfred Nobel created a prize that would reward the scientists helping to improve society. Each Nobel laureate receives a gold medal, a diploma, and a monetary award worth more than 8 crores. These are the scientists who studied physics and achieved Nobel Prize. I think you must be knowing them. Sir C.V. Raman, Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, Thomas Alva Edison, Ramakrishnan Venkatraman, and Stephen Hawking. Let us see some celebrities who have studied physics. Our 11th President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he did his BSc Physics and then BTech, and then he became a scientist. He became the director of ISRO, and he was a man behind SLV-3 rocket. He had multiple activities like scientist, engineer, administrator, author, and educator. Jimmy Carter, who was the 39th President of the United States, was a naval officer and he also studied physics. Angela Merkel, she is considered to be the most powerful woman of the world. She is a politician and Chancellor of Germany. She did her physics graduation and did her research in molecular quantum mechanics. And all the youngsters are fascinated about Elon Musk. He is an entrepreneur and a business magnate. He was the founder of SpaceX, the company, not only for scientific and technological companies, but he was the co-founder of certain financial companies like PayPal also. We come across many successful IAS officers, government officers, chief executive officers, and software engineers who have studied physics. What are the qualities which made them successful by studying physics? Analytical skills, logical thinking, creative aptitude, problem-solving capacity, precise actions, and leadership and teamwork. These are the qualities which made them successful by studying physics. How did they gain all these qualities? These popular people gained all these qualities because they acquired mathematical background, theoretical knowledge, and the exposure to laboratory while studying physics. So, it is clear that a degree in physics prepares us for a variety of career paths. Then what are the career options for physics graduates? Wherever there is existence, there is physics behind. So, there is a career for a physics person anywhere and everywhere. The main important career options are teaching, research, administration, and entrepreneur. There are more than 3 lakh educational institutions in India, and more than 1 crore of teachers are there in the educational institutions, and hence we need not say anything about the teaching opportunity. There is always a growing need for teachers. If you have an aptitude to teach and offer guidance with dedication, you can become a role model and develop the society. What should you study to become a teacher? As you all know, the secondary grade teachers, they become teachers with BSc and BEd degree. It takes 5 years. Higher secondary teachers, MSc, BEd, it takes 7 years for them to complete the course. Professor, you have to do MSc and pass a competitive examination like NET or SET or complete the PhD. The MSc degree course takes 5 years. For PhD, you may take another 5 years. But there is a shortcut in doing this. After MSc, at the end of the second year, you can write the NET or SET examination. And if you get through that examination, immediately you can become a college professor, even after 5 years of studies. Next thing is research. To become a researcher, you have to complete MSc degree. You can undergo this research degree in colleges, universities, or research organizations. You can find jobs in research organizations funded by UGC, DST, DBT, ICMR, and other organizations. For junior research fellowship, you may be getting 31,000 rupees per month for 2 years, and for senior research fellowship, you will get 35,000 rupees per month. One thing that is compulsory for doing this research is CSIR net is compulsory for getting stipend. What are the careers after completing PhD? You can become a professor, you can become a scientist, you can become a researcher in a private research lab, you can get a job in the scientific publishing companies, you can go as data analytics, and you can take a job even in the media as a science reporter. You can go for administration in government organizations by writing the UPSC or Staff Selection Commission or TNPSC examination. You can enter the bank as after completing the IBPS examination. Railway, you have to do the Railway Recruitment Board. Like that, for each and every government job, you have an entrance examination to get through. In the private companies, as I told you earlier, a physics graduate can find job in any industry. The list is endless. You can go for a job in the e-learning company, the scientific equipment manufacturing company, optical company, healthcare, pharmaceutical, environment, media, airport, any office you can go. You can become an entrepreneur, but it is not that easy if you think. Day one, you cannot become an entrepreneur. You need to put a lot of hard work and then become an entrepreneur. And there are government organizations which are supporting entrepreneurship. MSME is one such organization. The most important thing, you can choose to study physics. Whatever you study, you need some skill for future careers. You should be able to complete one particular job. So, you can undergo some other course additional, in addition to whatever your graduation, you can undergo some courses on e-learning, learning management system, robotics, computer animation, virtual reality, 3D printing, computer hardware and networking, mobile servicing, web design, and cyber security. You can undergo course in any of these skills. And there are organizations which are giving you the skill development courses. You may be having a lot of other doubts about your career, either in choosing a physics career or in any other career. In case you have any queries, write your phone number to last.academic@gmail.com. I will give you a call back. Thank you.